everyone. Today we are going to talk about the most important question that comes our way every year. That is how to choose a particular career. Students they come up with ideas, but they don't know where it actually takes them. So I'm going to talk about few simple and easy steps that you can try out and get more clarity on this. So let's get started. First, the most important point here is to know yourself. That is self-assessment. But what is the right way to do it? There are few things which we can do to assess ourselves. First, contemplate and introspect. What is the one subject that you love the most during your school time? And what was the reason behind it? Was it because for the love of the subject? Or because you liked the particular teacher that the subject was taught by? Or was there a particular style of teaching that you loved the most? These factors can actually help you analyze and know, what was that one thing that you can do over and over again. One subject that you can continue learning without anybody telling you to do so. So first thing, once you know the subject, then knowing your way of learning, your style of learning, how to do it. There are a lot of tools that are available these days. The personality testing tools, psychometric tools, from where you can get a rough idea about your personality, your learning styles. Are you more of a visual learner or an audio learner? Or you like to, have your own way of learning. So that will also help you to make the right path for yourself. Second, network and talk to a lot of students, a lot of seniors, your siblings, आपके भाई बहन, cousins, जिन्होंने एक particular career choice already adapt की है, जो उस career path में चल रहे हैं. You can talk to them. Know where is it taking you? What is it that they love the most about? What is it that that they might be learning now, which they might not have thought about or talked about earlier? What are the new things that they're learning about it? Get the real-time practical experience to know the things. Talking to people who are actually working in that field right away, gives you the knowledge about the challenges that they might be facing, or the positives of something that otherwise are not available everywhere. So kindly do that. Talk to a lot of people and gather knowledge. Third, and one of the most important points is build a list of the career choices that you would want yourself to be. We might be confused between 3 or 4 choices and don't know exactly, which path to take. So jot down all those career options and then start doing certain research on it. Searching on the internet, talking to people, and also talking about the path, the career path that lies ahead will help you make the right career choice for yourself. So once you've talked to people, one of the most important point is to make the details of the career path that lies ahead when you choose a certain career option. So for all the 2 or 3 career choices that you have shortlisted for yourself, make a detailed career path of at least 5 to 10 years that lie ahead. So what is the way you can reach that path? What are the options that lie ahead? Be it educational options, then once you do your graduation, what are the options for the post-graduation? And also, once your education is complete, what are the exact job options that are available? If you want to get into business, then what is the type of business that you want to be in, and what will be the right choice for your business? What is the right kind of education you would need for it? What is the right kind of skill that is needed for your business? So will that career option give you a chance to acquire that required skill, make you a job fit or your business fit? So analyze all these things very carefully and then make the right choice for yourself. And one of the most important things that we always tell everyone, do talk to an expert and try to gather the maximum information that you can, and also to know yourself the best. So happy learning and all the best.